Hey, it's Terry, Virginia's daughter. Can you believe it? I am about to tell you about round 6 of my unfinished sewing projects plan, so stay tuned. So here we are, round 6. Now, it's getting down to the nitty-gritty here. In the very first video, I think, I said that I had referred to the book Atomic Habits, which I've read, and I talked about motion versus action. And I said, you know, I probably won't go through and itemize everything, you know, because that's more motion than action. Well, once I started acting on it, then I realized it would not be a bad idea just to put these things together, and since I'm calling them rounds. And if you don't know, there's 7 projects per round. So you do that math. What I do is, I have this Aldi bag, and I just put the rounds in here, right? And this is very basic, you know, this is how I stay organized. But I just put them in here. And so on the outside, I know exactly what I have. And I have a ton of these bags, so I thought I might as well use them for something besides trash. I will start off with these lace pants. So we have this 150th anniversary of Butterick B5893. Mrs. Shorts and Pants, loose fitting, elasticized waistband, pocket variations, narrow hem. This is a 2013 pattern, and it's easy, okay. I had this lace left over from a trench coat that I made. I made a lace trench years ago, trying to pattern it after one of Burberry trenches. And so I'm going to make a pair of lace pants. I always thought, you know, lace pants would be cute. At the same time, I would be challenged in how I underline them, you know, put some type of lining in them. And I don't know if I want to go lining all the way down, just lining shorts. So we'll see. But this is a lace pair of pants. Now, what I do hope is that I can find all the pieces, because I know that I see the actual pants here. I see the pockets. Oh, okay, here's probably the waistband. So this will be challenging, but I'm up for it. This hasn't changed. Some of the things that I've seen in my unfinished projects, I'm like, oh, I don't know what I was thinking. I'm gonna finish it anyway. But so that is the first item, the Butterick 5893. Next up is Simplicity 8892. I really like this pattern. I've made a dress from it, and I've made a top from it. During the times that we were all in our homes, I wanted some loungewear. And so I paired this top with a different pattern for a pair of pants to make just like a lounging set, and I will show you that if I can find it. Here's the lounge set that I talked about. This is the top. This fabric came from Mood. This fabric feels so good. I got some cherry too. I'll show you that in just a second. I made a cherry dress out of it, but it's this really soft cotton jersey stretchy knit. And I really like this too. When I put this on, a couple people asked me, family members, because I lounge around with it, they were like, is that on backwards? And I'm like, no. And then here are the pants. I can't remember what pattern that is from, but this fabric is also, and I got like a ton of it. This is the same fabric, right? If you can see that. And I've got big plans for this. So yeah, this is Mrs. Crop pants and knit dress, tunic, or top and belt. So I wanted to make these pants. And I had this really cute fabric from Joann Fabrics, I think. It has cherries on it. So here's this here. Now, you'll notice, you know, with some prints, you have to treat it like it has a nap, right? So if the print is directional, then you have to cut it out that way, if you care about that. I do care about it, but I failed to do it on this pattern, so I guess I don't care right now. You know what I mean? So the cherries are upside down. Now, am I going to be all, you know what I mean? Like it's a rookie mistake, actually, is what it is. But I did it, so I admit it. But I'm going to sew these up, and hopefully I can wear them. Let me see, what size is this? This is a 14, so I should be okay. I really like this fabric, though. It's a cotton, of course, but it has some stretch to it. It's really nice. It's really, and I will wear these with pride, let me tell you, upside down and all. So yeah, that's that. I say sew a lot. I'm trying to stop saying so much. All right. So I have all my pieces cut out here. I've not even started this, obviously. So these items, they've just been cut, just sitting here. Actually, I think all of these items are just cut. Well, except for one, I think. I actually started sewing. All right, and then we have this Simplicity 2261. And this is a skirt, pants, and knit tops. And let's see if I can find, here I go. Just real quick, 2010. See how quick that was? So this is a 2010 pattern. I have made these pants. I made a couple of these pants back in the day. I made a gray pair, a tan pair. They were really comfortable too. I really like these pants. I could see myself making these pants again. But for this one, I chose View E, which is the skirt. And again, this is cut out, but not stitched up. So I am doing this skirt in this camo twill, cotton twill that I got from Joann Fabrics. I love camo. I said it over and over and over again. I'm a veteran, a U.S. Army veteran, and I just love camo. I really do. I think camo could be a neutral. So that is that. And again, I have all of my pieces cut out here for Simplicity 2261. That there. Next up is a Burda pattern. I took German in college, so I like to try to pronounce German words with a German accent. So we say Berta. I think they say Burda. So this jacket. This is a 2013. It looks like 2013. It might even be January. Oh yeah, that's right, because their patterns, I've ordered some patterns from the website. Their patterns are by month and year. Yeah, I just remembered that. Okay, cool. This is a jacket. Let's hope I don't get stuck with any pins. This is not the smartest thing to do, but initially I did not like the way, and this is small, I didn't like the way the lining, I love the lining, how it coordinated with the denim. This is a bull weight denim that I got from Joann Fabrics years ago. Love this color. I actually made a skirt out of this, and I was gonna have this jacket to go with it. Well, the skirt's been long gone. Actually, it's not bad now. I just have to finish the lining and put buttons on it. No, I don't even think it has buttons. Hold on. Yes, it does. Oh, wait a second. Those don't look like buttons. Are they snaps? These are snaps. So for the jacket, there are 4 of them. And then for the dress, there's 7. Okay. Yeah, I'm kind of excited to do this one, to get this one done. Answer me this. What would you do? Let's say you're sewing some unfinished projects. Would you start with the most to do? So would you start with the project where you have the most to do? Or would you start with a jacket or a project that you had very little to do? Let me know in the comments below how you would do it. Next up is this Butterick 6522 jumpsuit. Very easy That's what this pattern is. Very easy. I'm not just saying that. Semi-fitted, has mock wrap front, pleats, back pleated and yoke, elasticized waist, sleeve variations, and pant leg variations. I love this pattern. I made a blue one out of a lightweight jersey. I mean, very, very lightweight. And it turned out really, really nice. I like it. I made view B, which is like the long sleeve with the elasticized waist, elasticized wrist. Then I made view A out of this fabric. View A, the one I made, is like a mid-length pants. It's this one here, view A. It's like the middle length. I'm too short for that. It does not look right on me, so I may have, I don't know if I gave it away yet or not, but I probably will. This one is going to be view C. This will be the one that I make out of this fabric here. This fabric is from Mood, and I like the way it feels better than I like the look. This is all cut out. And did I say what year this was? This is 2017. Butterick 6522. This is a vintage McCall. This is so me. This is 7989. Now, it's handwritten 1965 on here, but I'm gonna see if I can verify that. I can tell by this green tissue paper here that I made some adjustments. Let's see what I did. I don't know what I did. I just really love this pattern. I don't know where I got this pattern from. I would say that some kind of thrift store or something. When our son was in Defiance, Ohio, we found this, you know, Defiance is not that big. We found this thrift store that was just great. They had all kind of stuff in there. So I think that's where I got it from. I'm excited to get this one done. Let's see what I've done here. Oh, I put darts in. I got this blue corduroy. Oh, it's coming to me now. I got this blue corduroy at Joann Fabrics. And that's the only thing about Joann being the only fabric store these days. I mean, nothing against them, but I would love to have more choices. I miss the other stores. Sofro. Remember Sofro Fabrics? Put in the comments below if you remember Sofro Fabrics. I didn't have enough of this. And I was like, whoa, what am I gonna do? So I think what I decided to do, as a matter of fact, I know what I decided to do, was to supplement with this denim. So it'll be this cord and this denim sleeve, because I didn't have enough to do the sleeve. Love this corduroy though. And I hope I can wear this one when I get done with it. So that's the jacket. Here's the skirt. I think the skirt is pretty much almost done. It's below my knee. So let's see, I got the zipper in already, right? So I think all I have to really do on the skirt is hem and put the snap on or whatever. It's a side zip. No, it's a back zip. Oh, it's a side zip, yeah. Wait, is it a side zip? Yes, it's a side zip. I'm excited about doing this now that I look at it. I'm like, yeah. And I will say that there have been some rounds that have been more exciting than others. And I'll talk about that when I get to a certain point. McCall's 7989. It's a size 14. And remember back in the day, these types of patterns, they come in one size and one size only. Let's see, I have lace pants, cherry pants, Burda jacket, vintage suit, 2 pieces there, Butterick jumpsuit, and simplicity skirt. 7 items. Let's see how I do. Allow me to encourage you. Full transparency, this is a lot of stuff that I left undone. But instead of focusing on that, I'm gonna focus on getting it done. I will be able to share so many things with you that I've learned from this process. It's amazing, it's amazing. So I encourage you, start with one piece. It's gonna make a big difference. So until next time, take care.